Hello everybody and welcome back.
Holy
Welcome to my new Idiots in Cars episode. We're not actually going to be looking at cars but trucks instead. We all appreciate the food on the shelf, but what we don't think about is the chaos that can happen on the way, and despite them being professionals, there's still plenty of idiots out there. So let's take a look. Could you imagine meeting that on a blind corner? I myself. What could possibly go wrong if you overload your truck but use people as a counterbalance? Well, let's find out. If it works, it's genius, but as it's in this video, it's probably not going to work out. As expected. The story for this one is apparently a child stole the truck. I don't know if that's true. I'm going to presume it is based on the driving. So this guy counting his lucky stars after that. If that was loaded, he'd be flat by now. He's going to go home and down that bottle of rum he was saving. I would. Now, anybody that's ever watched Final Destination will remember a scene like this. Thankfully, it doesn't play out the same for this guy. He's trying to flash the trucker, but he probably doesn't even realise. Now, I'm pretty sure this is why these oversized loads are supposed to have spotter vehicles to stop things like this. It looks like they get out okay. I just hope there wasn't somebody in that passenger seat. Yeah, they get out. They look okay, thankfully. It's always going to end well when you see a truck loaded like that. Why not just load them sideways? Anyway, they probably weigh a ton. Someone's going to get the sack, but the truck driver should have checked his load before he even left. So we're taking a trip to New York now. Looks like this truck has gone into a residential area that it just doesn't fit. He's refusing to give up and just keeps making the whole situation so much worse. And as a bonus, we've got this guy narrating it too. He's pretty funny, he's enjoying it at least.
Now just take out that truck that was on that corner. Oh, let's go back to this one. Here comes the owner.
Let's just hope that guy has insurance.
Homeboy took out a fire hydrant. Fire hydrant.
Sometimes I feel for truckers because of the long hours that they have to work. This guy just falls asleep. He's fucked it. I actually thought he was going to recover it too. Oh well. This clip is insane. The lorry is overtaking on double whites on a blind corner, and this guy comes about a foot away from a head on. It's only because that other lorry braked that he avoided it. Lucky guy. Okay, so we've got some CCTV footage. Watch the Subaru that's waiting to pull in at the top. The lorry left its crane up and completely destroys the gate, toppling it onto that guy's car. I don't know if you saw it, he did actually escape. Let's watch it. Quick reaction saved his life. Me. There's a reason you should never cut in front of a lorry, and it's because they can't see you, as this guy finds out. Complete idiot. I guess this one isn't actually the truck's fault. He probably should be able to tell he's got someone stuck to the front of him. Okay, now this is some kind of cycle race being covered by a news reporter for whatever reason. The lorry just wants to get his load to the destination and the race isn't going to stop him. This lady here almost gets killed by the inflatable lion, but she's just like, oh well. This clip has animals in it, making it a little bit NSFW, so feel free to skip. The lorry comes too fast for the conditions and tips, spilling the poor little cows everywhere. We've got another trucker that forgets to put his load down and gets absolutely obliterated when he hits the bridge. We have another oversized load that takes the corner way too fast. Really fucks everything up. The whole load goes down the hill and probably never stopped. It's probably still rolling to this day. Looks like Eastern Europe somewhere now. Two truckers up ahead look to be having a little dispute. Let's see who wins. The blue truck destroys the red. The blue truck pushes the red onto the verge. The driver looks okay. Probably going to pick his fights better next time though. At least the camera car stopped here. We're following along with this truck when the white truck at the intersection decides to pull across. This camera truck pulls off an unbelievable save. I just don't know how he did it. It looked like he was going so fast. The other guy probably doesn't know how close he came to being destroyed. For this final clip, the story is that this truck was too overloaded to get up this hill, and as a result he slid back down and got stuck. Rather than leave the truck there to be recovered, he flips out and destroys everything. The clip was very long, almost 5 minutes, so I've cut it down. He destroys a house where thankfully nobody was. And ruins his truck too, before finally giving up. He's definitely an idiot in a truck, and the last one for this episode. So I'll end it there. I'll see you guys next time.